Okay, we're going to use one of the easiest and fastest ways to unlock our device. But let's say, like we have. You've forgotten your screen lock and now you need to remove it. If that's your case, don't worry. In this video tutorial we'll explain it step by step so you can also remove that screen lock and even lose your Google account. We're going to use one of the easiest and fastest methods, which is without needing a PC. We won't use any PC in this video tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is the following. We have to turn off our phone. We're going to turn it off by pressing the power button. If we see that it doesn't turn off, then we press the power button and the volume up button. Once it's completely off, we're going to press the power button and then the volume down button at the same time to enter recovery mode. We're going to locate the option that says recovery mode with the volume down button and select it with the power button. This will take us to this section. Then we're going to select this option that appears here, wipe data, factory reset. Scroll down, tap where it says factory reset, you'll get this error message, don't worry. Now tap where it says wipe cache and click it, confirming yes. Then tap wipe data again for the second time. You'll get the same error message again, so tap wipe cache once more. We'll do this a third time. Tap it the third time, and then tap wipe cache. That's it. Now that we've done all that, we'll select Reboot System, which is the first option. Next, we're going to press and hold the volume down button until we're taken directly to the Start menu. Once we're in the Start menu, we're going to bypass the Google account in one of the easiest and fastest ways, as we've indicated, without needing a PC. This is a completely PC-free method. What we're going to do is, first of all, we've also provided other tutorials, both for PC and without a PC. Here we can see how to do this in safe mode. We're going to change the language. We also have airplane mode here. Don't worry, leave it like that. To deactivate it, remove any SIM card you have on your phone. We'll remove it and click here where it says Continue Offline. We'll click Accept and Continue. Now we'll click Next. We'll click here where Google services are. And we'll click Accept. Here we can add a screen lock. You can add a lock. I'm going to click Skip. You can also add your Google account. We'll click here. We'll click Not Now, Not Now, Not Now, and Not Now. We'll click Next. Here we'll click Finish. And we'll be finishing this recovery process. Okay, now what we have to do is restart the phone so that safe mode and airplane mode can be removed.